Notice on this we have a high contrast, and it's hard to see eyes. We could go inside and try to play with the both kind of adjustments a little bit. But again, as example, this is not necessarily work very well for us, but we can fix this. And again, we'll go to group. Let's go call it forest. Okay, and let's do something different now, the other ones. So for this, let's go see what we have it. I'm going to select ocean. I think that will work very well. We'll say we take ocean, going and drop in our project. And right here, for example, I'm trying to maybe put it by the eyes. I think I like how this moment, but notice it does not necessarily going expand, so I can adjust, but again, it does not go down a little bit. Maybe around like this, because this is kind of funny, give your dog or some kind of panda nose. So let's go adjust a little bit this way. Okay, notice right here we're missing. So for this, what I'm going to do is duplicate this layer. Ocean top, and let's call this ocean bottom. And we'll go to edit, transform, and we'll flip vertically. Next, we can take this and just drag down below. So on this point, you can see we're still kind of matching. We can adjust a little bit different look, but it's given us a nice going down below kind of adjustments. And we can always adjust this way, or if you want, you can even transform and flip horizontally, so it will look even more different kind of. So right here we kind of extended one another one. Next, we want to apply a mask. We can take and apply those masks to each of them individually. Okay, let's go hold Alt. We'll just put it one on the bottom and the top, one on the bottom, one on the top. So you can see how we matching layout. Sometimes you want to adjust. For example, what if I need to switch? I still don't like this. What if I want increasing? If I'm doing at this moment, let's adjust, and you can see my mask start changing. It does not work very well because my mask now kind of working with mask. What I want to do, be sure right here, you see those chilling. We click on them to uncheck. So now mask is independently and does not link to our main image. On this case, I can take this image, move around, position how I want it, and I want to be sure it is actually work very well. So in this case, maybe even, you know, bring down like this will work better. Okay, same, let's uncheck this one. We'll bring this a little bit more down. And now we need to work a little bit on a head. So I'm going to take this image, actually, yeah, one which we already convert, and duplicate it. And we'll bring all the way up and place right there. So you can see how we adjusted, and it's kind of nicely start working together. This is a little bit more complex, but you can not just necessarily use one image. You can use the same images and masking them and stacking together to create layout that you want to achieve. Because we have more than one, what I want to do on this point, I want to group them. I don't want them merged because I maybe use it in the future, but I want to group them. Let's call it ocean. And now I want to add black and white and clip or set parenting to our layer below. And with the ocean, you can see we can add more effect. See which one will look darker, brighter. And let's look a little bit more on the sand right here. and work with little bit adjustment. So at this point, okay, we have our clouds effect, we did our forest, and we did our ocean. Let's look on a forest a little bit and see if we want to go with this kind of very busy look, how we can improve a little bit on a face.